You're in my head, always, always. I just got. Hi, and welcome to the channel. Firstly, let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the F sharp minor, composed of the C sharp, F sharp, and A, and with the bass note of F sharp. Next, you're gonna have the A major, composed of the C sharp, E, and A, and with the bass note of A. Then you will have the E major, composed of the E, G sharp, and B, and with the bass note of E. And then final chord, the B major, composed of the D sharp, F sharp, and B, and with the bass note of B. Feel free to download the PDF file associated with this song so that you have an even better understanding of the structure. Let's learn the introduction. So here's the corresponding table for that first section with its particular melody. So for the entire table, you're gonna play the bass note first and then the notes solo, like this. And after this introduction, you will reach the first verse. So here's the corresponding table. So take the first chord, F sharp minor, and play it like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And do the same thing with the A major. 1, 2, and 3, 4. E major. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And B major the same way. 1, 2, and 3, 4. The whole table should sound like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 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 And now with the lyrics, it should sound like this. What am I supposed to do without you? And repeat the table one more time. Is it too late to pick the pieces up? Too soon to let them go? And repeat again. Do you feel damaged just like I do? Repeat again. Your face, it makes my body ache. You won't leave me alone, and it feels like. So here I'm only singing excerpts because you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. I believe you got it. Just keep repeating this table over and over and over again. And when I say that, I mean for the entire song. Because yes, the chorus is also going to utilize this same table and this very method. So directly with the lyrics, it should sound like this. You're in my head, always, always. I just got, repeat, scared, away, away. I just got, see, you just repeat and it works absolutely everywhere. I wish you good luck for that one and I'll see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.